Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to Mida Hayati. I am Nurul Syafiqah binti Ahmad from Training and Development Section 5. Okay, today I'm gonna present my company that are Starbucks company for the assignments. Introduction to Starbucks Company profile are established at year 1971 in Seattle, Washington, with three partners that named Jerry, Zeph, and Gordon. Starbucks logo was inspired from Greek methodology. Starbucks operation more than in 50 countries in the world, such as Russia, Argentina, China, Thailand, include Indonesia and other countries. Starbucks are selling beverage under their brands name such as coffee, tea, blended beverage, Marks, Thermos, and else. Starbucks have been awarded and recognition in Fortune 2009 until 2017 as one of the world's most admired company. Let's move to the computer-based training CBT part. CBT, also known as online learning or e-learning. The training is mainly provided by computer or software that rather by a in-person trainer. CBT that Starbucks used to training their employee worldwide are by using the Learning Management System LMS. The MLS are developed by the Wave Dev Studio. The LMS indeed a software system that includes all implementation of training program. These ideas are originated directly from the e-learning. All highlighted learning management system or CBT that Starbucks have activity feed, leaderboard, badge and achievement, local group, responsive design, and quiz access rule. First, activity feed. Training program we are enabling employees to custom build their own profile so they can interact with other users. Second, leaderboard. Leaderboard reach through employees' competitive drive, encourages employees to keep going forward. Third, badge and achievement. Introducing badge award offer a creative way to highlight progress and accomplishment towards employee objective. Fourth, quiz access rule. After Starbucks employee view training video, they will take a quiz and must obtain 80% of the quiz before progressing to the other one. Fifth, local group. It enables Starbucks to build employee function by country and locality so they can align themselves directly with each other. Sixth, responsive design. With this LMS, it available to all user device tools such as smartphone or laptop. It gives employee links to the training program 24 hours. Okay, this is example of computer-based training learning management system that used by the Starbucks company. Okay, right now we move to the part of advantages of using computer-based training CBT. There are five advantages that I mentioned: flexible, convenient, technological opportunities, learning management, and reduced costs. Firstly, flexible. Employees do not need to plan and organize their activity to fit the training schedule. Employee can be at work or home to participate in the training. Secondly, learning management. Employee can join and leave training as they want, and they can also make progress on their own speed. Thirdly, convenient. The employee are free to learn whenever they need at any place where they can access to the internet. Fourthly, it reduces cost to the employee of amount of the cost to travelling time and to the training place. Fifthly, technological opportunities. Multiplication application help to further improve training, while forums can be used to significantly increase the level of interaction between the employees and employer. And now we move to the part of disadvantage of using computer-based training. There are five. So, isolated, technology challenges, lack of control, learning approach, and computer competency. Firstly, lack of control. Low motivation employees tend to drift apart when assessing e-learning because there were no fixed time to do so, and they are liable for the organization itself. Secondly, learning approach is entirely to the individual as different individuals learn better or worse by using the different types. Thirdly, isolated. Employees feel like they do not have the encouragement and confidence that the physical presence of the trainers give. Fourthly, technology challenges such as some computer-based training resources include software like Flash that is not supported by smartphones such as iPad. Lastly, computer competency. Certain employees might not be too experienced using computer, particularly if their work does not involve those to do so. Ending of CBT with other training methods. Okay, first, learning course. Second, training of classroom 24 hours. Third, video platform. Fourth, training design methods to keep enjoyable. Firstly, learning course. Employee will never be given chance to make fault, and employee will be still with Starbucks store manager or a learning course while they know the process. Secondly, training classroom 24 hours also famous as a Starbucks experience, so the training provides employee with the Starbucks company history, culture and CSR program, so employee are exposed to the coffee of its own. Third, training design methods to keep enjoyable such as dream dice. So this method help employee to use visual app to practice their pose to perfection. Fourthly, video platform. This allow the coach to film training session and afterward sharing it to the employee, and the employee can access it with the interactive multimedia player. There are 4 types of computer-based training. First is virtual reality, second intelligent tutoring system (ITS), third programming instructions, and fourth interactive multimedia. Firstly, program instruction, also known as a program learning. This is a training-based programs that allow employee to work effectively. This assures that the employee react at all time. Secondly, intelligent tutoring system is indeed a computer program focused on artificial intelligence developed to provide content and suggestion to the employee. The main aim of ITS is to communicate with every employee close to an individual coach. Next, interactive multimedia, also known as a interactive media, is a software delivered in electronic device which help user to monitor, blend and manipulate various forms of media like text, sound, video, computer graphic and animation. Lastly, virtual reality, also known as virtual reality based training (VRBT), is an interactive and comprehensive training tool. We use technology that can provide simulated environments to replicate experience that may occur in actual environment. Such as flight simulator were used for years to train pilots and equip them for emergency conditions without throwing trainees at a danger. As a conclusion, Starbucks is indeed a famous company and the largest coffee chain in the world that has many employees. Starbucks tends to improve and develop the best training methods to be trained for their employees around the world. Thus, with this technology advancement, CBT are the best training methods to cut costs and standardize the same training module to all the Starbucks employees around the world. Last but not least, Starbucks may take consideration before fully use the CBT to train their employee. Firstly, they must identify number of employees that have computer skill. This is because computer-based training can be overwhelming for a beginner employees. Therefore, Starbucks have to make sure all the pros and cons are in balance so their training will be smooth when it is implemented in the future. That's all for my presentation. I would like to thank you, Madam Hayati, for giving me guidance and help to finish this individual assignment. Assalamualaikum.